Keep it on the level.
Hi guys, and welcome to Radically Rads. I am Tanya. Most of you know me from my blog as well as my Instagram page. So if it is your first time here, do make sure that you don't leave without subscribing. And if you like this video, do make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below so that I know what you guys want to see from me next. Today I will be doing a review on the Real Techniques Core Collection Kit. I wrote about this on the blog, so do make sure that you also head out there and go and read up on my feelings about these brushes. And today I just thought I should come on here and show you how to use them. So if you want to see that, do stick around for that. Alright, so like I mentioned, I will be doing the review on the Real Techniques Core Collection Kit, and it's these 4 babies over here. They are my absolute favorites right now, so I'm just going to go down the list with you guys and show you which ones are in the collection and which ones can you get when you purchase this collection. So the first one we're going to talk about is this one, and it is the Square Foundation Brush. As you can see over here, it's beautiful, it looks good, it's aesthetically pleasing, and it's got a very good black end here, which is nice in terms of the grip. And this one is a foundation brush that you can definitely use, and you'll have lighter strokes. You can use this one especially if you don't want to get like a full coverage. It's a very good brush to use for that, and it just says Real Techniques by Sam Nic, and then it also says Square Contour Brush. I'm not too sure if you guys can see, if the camera picks that up. So that's the first one that's in the case. The second one that's in the case is this one over here, and this is the contour brush. It feels so soft, guys. It's amazingly soft, and this one is what you can use to get your highlighter in those correct spots. If you just want to highlight your cheekbones as well as your nose, it's really angled beautifully, so it'll get into those smaller areas. And just like the other brush I showed you before, it just says contour brush. I'm not too sure if you can see that either. And then Real Techniques by Sam Nic. Also just looks the same. I haven't used this one, it's just a bit dirty because it gets stocked up with all my other brushes, so it's just picked up some of the product. The next brush I'd like to show you guys is this little baby over here, and this is the Detailer brush. I absolutely love this one. I think it's my second favorite from the entire collection. It's so tiny, and the bristles are packed really tightly, and this one I use for my shimmers in the crease of my eyes. So for example, in the look that I have today, I have some gold in between my eyes, and I use this one just to get the precision really good. You can also use this one if you want to apply your lipstick and you want to pack on the product on your lips and get the details in the corners really nice. Then you can also use this one. It just says Detailer brush, as well as Real Techniques by Sam Nic. It looks like all the other brushes, so it's very cute. And this one, because it's so tiny, you can literally pack it into your traveler bag as well, and it will not even be bulky or anything of the sort. And then the last but certainly not the least is this baby over here that I have been ranting and raving about every single wear. It's the buffing brush, and this is the reason that I actually got the collection. Unfortunately, they don't sell it as a standalone product, but I had to have it, so I purchased the entire collection just for it. It's the buffing brush, and that's the one that I used to get this look today. So this one is needed or used to pack on your foundation if you're always looking for a full coverage airbrush look. So you basically just dab it onto your skin, and now I may be moving product, but you just dab it onto your skin and it literally just packs on the product, guys. It's amazing, it feels good, it's soft, and if you look at it closely, it's a bit of a dome shape, so it's not necessarily flat, but just a bit of a dome. I'm not too sure why it's like that. It's also got the black on the bottom, so it's really nice in terms of your grip, and when you press it upon your face, it's a very nice length. It fits in my handbag when I need to carry it around, so I definitely recommend this brush. The entire pack was just under 500. I mentioned that in the blog, and you get a set of 4 brushes, as well as a panoramic case that you can keep your brushes. And I have mine right here where I keep all my other brushes, as well as my go-to brushes for every day. So do make sure that you go out. It's in Clicks and in Dis-Chem, and I know that in South Africa they also sell it in Foschini if you just so happen to be around those borders. If you like this video and if you have brushes that you love that you want me to try out, do make sure that you let me know what those are in the comments below. If you have been trying out the Real Technique brushes, tell me how they've been working for you. Do you like them? Do you not like them? I know that they also have different color brushes. They have like a purple, pinkish one. If you've tried those out, do let me know what you think about it, and I may try them out as well. That's all from me. Until next time, mwah.
I'm climbing up the, keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel. I can do this all day, I can do this all